I have installed the latest Google camera on the Nokia 6.1 Plus and now it's a lot improved. The Nokia 6.1 Plus comes with a 16 plus 5 megapixel rear camera setup. It can record up to 4K with the support of electronic image stabilization. On the front, it has a 16 megapixel selfie shooter which also records videos at 1080p. First of all, let me show you the sample shots compared and then I'll show you the installation process. So here, as you guys can see, the dynamic range of the Gcam is lot better compared to the stock camera app. And also, the Gcam produces more saturated and eye-pleasing images, whereas the stock camera shoots under-saturated images. Now, let's move on to the zoom shots. I tried taking multiple photos with different zoom points to check the difference between the Gcam and the stock cam. Here, I don't know whether it is 1x, 2x or 3x because none of the camera apps show that. But I marked some places and zoomed exactly to that point to make the images zoom equal. And even here, the pictures are undersaturated. And at the max zoom, it really looks so artificial from the stock camera. It actually looks like a painting. On the other hand, the Gcam images are far better. Night shots. Here is where the Gcam actually shines, and I just don't want to speak anything here because the images themselves will speak. The front camera on the 6.1 Plus is really bad. I can say that I just don't like it. But Gcam pictures are far better. They are just brighter and captures better details. There are some things that does not work in this Gcam mode. Portrait mode. It simply crashes whenever I try to shoot images and I tried opening it multiple times but the issue exists. Next is the slow-mo feature. Even this crashes. Now let's move on to the installation part. Download the manual camera compatibility app and check if all the ticks are in green. If all the ticks are in green, then you are good to go. Download the app from the link in the description down below and install the app. Boom, enjoy the G camera. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.